Ready to become a successful trader? Start using VIP trading indicators. Predict the market 24/7. VIP indicators are the only indicators in the world that can predict any market with up to 93% accuracy. Here are all the powerful trading indicators you'll get access to after joining VIP indicators. All of these will be yours, and you'll also get access to all of this full package VIP education. With the VIP indicators, you'll also get an entire education package which will help you become a successful trader, plus a full trading course with books and many videos are included inside. The course was created by expert traders. Why join VIP indicators? VIP indicators are extremely powerful and profitable. They have an average win rate of up to 93% and were created by top expert traders from around the world. VIP indicators are very easy to use, even for complete beginners with zero trading experience. Simply add them to a chart and let them do the work for you. Get trading education that is designed to help you become a successful trader. You also get an entire trading education bundle full of books, courses, videos, and so much more. Grow your trading account 10 times faster. Here's how you can get started in 3 simple steps right now. Number 1, get access. Number 2, start using the VIP indicators. Number 3, become profitable. Get access for $9 today and join now. Click below, visit VIPindicators.com and start now.